everyone. Today we are going to discuss the question pattern for class LKG in English for their interviews. This is for ICSE board, international board and Cambridge affiliated board as well. So let's get started with the activity. So here are all the activities which will come in your LKG interview in all the schools. Like this is for ICSE, international board and Cambridge affiliated board as well. So before starting these activities, students should know all the capital letters properly, and along with that students should also identify the small letters. Okay, now the first one is write alphabet A to J. Like I have given A to J, other schools can give from between also, like M to Z. Here this contains 10 marks and I have given 10 blanks over here. They have to write A to J here. A, B, C, D and so on. Next one is match uppercase alphabet to lowercase. Earlier I have told you that the student should also identify the small letters, like capital A to small letter A, capital B to small letter B. Uppercase means capital and lowercase means small letters. Match the alphabet with pictures. Here some pictures, 5 pictures I have given and 5 alphabets I have given. Whichever picture relates to whichever alphabet will be matched, like apple, A for apple, ball, B for ball. Next one is write the missing alphabet of the given pictures. Here some pictures are given here and they have to write down the missing letters. Like this is the picture of cup. So C dash P. Children will write down C U P. Now cap. So they will write on C dash P C A P. Now bat, B dash T. So they will write on B A T. Mat, so on. Rat, like R A T. So next, fifth one is what comes after and before the given alphabets. Here I have merged after and before, and like in other schools they can give separately also, like what comes after separately and what comes before separately. Here I have given in a merged way, in a mixed way. Okay, so here A, what comes after A? B. What comes before N? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Like this. Now next one is write the missing letters. Here it contains 10 marks, so 10 blanks are here, like A, B, C, D and so on. Next one is find odd one out. Now you need to make the concept clear that what it is actually. Like in one box, capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, but small c is not here. So they need to pick odd one out. Capital D and small d, capital F and small f, but this one is different. Next one is circle the small letters. Okay, now capital A, capital B, no, it is not capital, so they will circle the odd one. This is small letters and rest are in capital letters. Now next one, tick the pictures which begin with the alphabet sound. Now here are some letters and here are some objects, like A. Which picture starts from A? Cup doesn't start from A, star doesn't start from A, but apple starts from A. A for apple. B, same like that. B for hat, wrong. B for apple, wrong, but this one is right, B for ball. So like this is the pattern for ICSE International Board and Cambridge affiliated board. This is the pattern in which the interview will be taken, written interview will be taken. Thank you.